All right, and this is meditation action. This is our chapter 3 um lesson or module. I was really interested in it, especially with the meditation portion in my life. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So subtopics of meditation. So understanding meditation, the benefits of meditation, types of meditation, how to use meditation, example of life meditation, and meditation and religion. So understanding meditation. So I didn't really understand how meditation worked. I know I've been doing it my whole life, but this lesson really helped me out in considering with a lot of the stuff that's going on nowadays, that's stressing out in my life, either doing meetings or completing IEPs. It really is a very stressful time in my life. So, um, using meditation. So meditation is how you pay attention to your breathing as it goes in and out, and you notice your mind finally wanders. It's a beautiful mindfulness and relaxation. So meditation is the best practice. Breathing into your muscles to bring attention and mindfulness to the body. With saying that, I really am using meditation to pay attention to what's going on, my needs, and especially how I'm feeling throughout the day. So the benefits of mindfulness. So what are the benefits? Meditation allows you to have a sense of calm and peace, that can help benefit your emotional health and overall health. So being able to take a step back and meditate, sometimes that allows you to really pay attention to what is going on with your life. So a couple of those things are as examples. So some of the examples are gaining a new perspective on stressful situation, building skills to manage your stress, increasing self-awareness, and focusing on the present. I know we talked a lot about in this class, focusing on the present. So it means a lot to me to really be paying attention to your body. So what types of meditation? So sometimes like guided meditation, mantra, yoga, tai chi, mindfulness, you have transcendent meditation. So all that allows you to have a different way to meditate. So for example, my guided meditation allows you to use imagery or visualization to help you relax to your safe place compared to yoga, where you're able to form a different posture and different breathing exercises to help you be more flexible and more calm in the mind. So how to use it? You know, take a seat, set a time limit for 10 to 15 minutes. Notice your body. Focus on your breathing. That means you have to close your eyes and really take in the deep breath. See what your mind has wandered to a different place. My mind, when I do meditation, wanders to times of football when I was at peace, right before the snap, or even being able to focus on my pain after a game. I'm able to really pay attention to what's going on with my body. And after all that, when the timer goes off or the ball is snapped, you have to open your eyes and really feel the effects. So the affected areas of your brain can usually be those who can manage or control your senses. Your ability to think, concentrate, and your ability to process your emotions. So I switched up the two bullets here. So meditation, religion. We meditate in a lot of religions, actually. So meditation is ingrained in different religions. For example, Buddhist, the Christian faith, Osho, which is a form of Hinduism, Sufi, which is a form of Islam, and Taoist. Sometimes, if you're Islamic or Muslim, you pray 5 times a day, but sometimes that prayer is a form of meditation, even though you're praying to your God or whoever you believe in. Sometimes that spoken or even written prayers are meditation in its own right. So examples. So like me, I like going on walks, really changing my mind over here and focusing on it. And then sometimes, I believe praying is a good way to do it. I know when I was in college and playing football, I used stretching as a way of meditation, even though I didn't really think of it that way. But it did clear my mind. I was able to breathe into my muscles that were aching. But after I would stretch or even being on the table and getting treatment, I was really able to focus on what needed to be done. I believe when you go lay down at night, I know my body hurts. It hurts constantly. But when I go lay down at night, really pay attention to it, I'm able to take deep breaths. My body soreness goes away from the day. My body expands, it relaxes, and I'm out to sleep like a light. But at the same time, I'm able to really focus on my mindfulness and not pay attention to the outside world. Here's my resources. So I used the Cleveland Clinic, Mayo Clinic, and I used mindfulness.org. Thank you for coming to my presentation.